cake. Ooh, cookies. Pie.
So, in my bowl, I have 1 pound of ground beef, and recipe says 1.5 pounds. I'm using 1 pound. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, sorry. Adding 1 beaten egg, half a cup of cream of mushroom soup, which I made homemade out of, anyway. So, and then we're going to add some salt and pepper and some Worcestershire sauce. So, technically the recipe didn't, in the ingredients, didn't mention onions, but I added some chives, some dried chives. Now we're going to mix this all up. And yeah, get your hands in it. That's the true meaning of getting cooking. So, may have to add a little bit more broth to this. So I formed it into a loaf and put it in my meatloaf pan. Now we're going to go bake it for an hour at 350 degrees. So this is mushroom meatloaf. So supposedly you can make a sauce to go over this using the can and a half of your cream of mushroom soup, which I may do that anyway. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth to this. It may just thicken it. I don't know. So what do y'all think? Oops, I forgot an ingredient. Milk. You're supposed to add a 1/3 cup of milk. I plainly forgot that, so hopefully it'll turn out good. Hopefully it should.